Assalamu alaikum. Today we will read third kalma. Third kalma mean tamjeed. Tamjeed मायने बुजुर्गी बयान करना. Now we will start third kalma. Subhanallahi. Lam will be bold because standing zabar is on the lam, so bolded. Subhanallahi. Walhamdulillahi. Wala ilaha. Stretch it lam because madda is on the lam, so stretch it, little bit stretched. Wala ilaha, and this one ha pronounced from the bottom part of throat. Wala ilaha illallahu. Lam will be bold because standing fatha is on the lam, so boldly. Illallahu. Wallahu akbar, and this one lam will be bold because standing fatha is on the lam, so boldly. Wallahu akbar. Wala hawla. This one ha pronounced from the middle part of throat. Wala quwwata. This one qaf voice is heavily sound because two dots is on the qaf, so we speak it heavily. Quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. Subhanallahi walhamdulillahi wa la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم.